This video is to help you with the homework for section 3.1.1. First of all, they want you to consider this expression, 7 plus 3 times 4 plus 2. So what movements will this represent for Cecil walking on his tightrope? They want you to think about how you would diagram that. So you've got 7 feet first, then you've got 3 sets of 4 feet, plus another 2 feet. Draw a diagram and then figure out the length of his walk. And then add parentheses to this expression so that you can get different values. So you might put the parentheses around the 7 plus 3. You might put the parentheses around the 4 plus 2. You might put it around the 7 plus 3 and the 4 plus 2. Try to create new expressions with as many different values as possible. For 3.8, they want you to find the distance between each pair of points if they were graphed on a number line. So in other words, what's the difference between negative 27 and 1/10 and 53 and 2/10? Now remember, to find the distance between them, you want to think about either subtracting them, because difference between them, difference means subtracting, or you might want to think about going from negative 27.1 to 0, and then 0 to 53.2 and adding those distances. So that's why they talk about the fact that you could think about it with absolute value symbols. Right? Same concept for B, same concept for C. The only thing about C is, though, these are both, of course, on the negative side of the 0 on a number line. So again, you could just think about the difference or distance between them, finding the answer when you subtract them. For 3.9, you have to find the missing information. So it says, Mark has downloaded 4 times as many songs on his music player as Chloe. If Mark has, 440 songs, how many songs does Chloe have? So that would be your first answer, figuring out how many songs she has. And then B, Cece likes to collect shoes, but she only has half the number of pairs as her friend Aubrey has. If Cece has 42 pairs of shoes, how many does Aubrey have? And then C, Tito walked 3 more miles than Danielle. If Danielle walked 2 miles, how far did Tito walk? So just finding those bits of missing information. For 3.10, it says, after a pizza party, Julia had parts of 5 pizza left over. Okay, so this is what's left over, this, and this. Each pizza was originally cut into 12 pieces, and the shaded area represents the slices that were not eaten. So A, what fraction of pizza A is left? So what would that be as a fraction? B, if you put all the pieces together, how many whole pizzas could she make and how many extra pieces would she have? And C, Julie wants to write the amount of leftover pizza as a single fraction. How could she do this? So instead of making it a mixed number like you have in B, make it into a improper fraction or fraction greater than 1. 3.11 asks you to go back and review a previous concept of generic rectangle. So what multiplication problem is being shown here? So remember, for example, you could say to yourself, all right, I know I have 100 here and 5 here. So what does this missing number have to be? What times 5 equals 100? All right, 7 times 5 equals what missing number here? Once you know this missing number, then you can figure out this missing number and so on. And then once you get it, you're going to write down your multiplication problem and, of course, the final answer. So those are the homework problems then for 3.1.1. Ask me if you have any questions, please. Thank you.